Good morning everyone. Alam with you from UltraTec water treatment. Today I am going to tell you about a water maker, marine water maker with the capacity of 10 cubic meter. This one, as you can see, is a complete water maker designed on 3 different units because of the limited space availability on the ship. This one is the control panel with the pre-filtration and the feed pump. This one is the high pressure pump, and this is the membrane pressure unit with the membrane inlet and discharge manifolds. First of all, the system will take water from here or by this feed pump from their seawater intake and pass it through this multimedia filter and give it to the cartridge filter over here. One is 5 micron, then 1 micron. Then the water will pass through this line and go to this high pressure pump. From high pressure pump, the water will go to this manifold over here. So it will go inside the membrane. From membrane, the water will split into 2 lines. This is the reject water line with a motorized valve for flushing and a pure water line over here. And both of these, reject and pure water, can be measured with these 2 flow meters. This system is completely operated by this central control panel, which is with PLC and VFD for this high pressure pump. This one is the VFD of this motor is 4 kilowatts, so this is specially designed VFD for 4 kilowatt, and this is PLC operated. This complete system can be operated with only these 2 switches, which is one for the feed pump, another one for the high pressure. It can be operated on manual and auto mode both. Here you can see is another motorized valve, which is used for the flushing, or you can say in other words the CIP, cleaning in place, because in this one you will connect a fresh water line, and when the system will stop, this motorized valve will open and it will pass the water through the membrane and remove all the seawater from the membrane. Thank you.